and if you've ever worried about bad breath even after brushing, you're not alone. The good news is that in most cases it's manageable with simple daily care. A lot of bacteria can build up over there. When you still notice bad breath, then it's best to visit your dentist to identify the underlying cause. Hi, I'm Dr. Namrata Rupani, and if you've ever worried about bad breath even after brushing, you're not alone. Bad breath or halitosis is very common and often comes from everyday causes like plaque buildup, dry mouth, certain food habits, or smoking. The good news is that in most cases it's manageable with simple daily care. Start by brushing your teeth properly at least twice a day. If you can brush after meals, that's even better. If not, rinsing your mouth helps. Flossing is also very important because it removes food particles from areas your toothbrush cannot reach. Also, don't forget your tongue. A lot of bacteria can build up over there. If you wear retainers or dentures, make sure that you clean them every single day. Staying hydrated helps too because a dry mouth can worsen bad breath. Also, certain foods like garlic, onion, excess coffee can also contribute. If you're doing all of this and you still notice bad breath, then it's best to visit your dentist to identify the underlying cause. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips to help you maintain better oral health. Better oral health starts with small habits, and I'll see you in the next one.